Hi everyone. This is the Smart Pals. Alright. What we do here is talk about phonics, sounds, blending of words. Okay. We are done with the R sound, O sound, and A sound. Please check it out in my last video. Alright, we bring to you today B sound. Everybody say B. Letter B sounds B. Letter B sounds B. B, 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 b. Letter B sounds B. B as in buffalo. B as in buffalo. Alright. Today we are meeting our animal friend. And our animal friend today is buffalo. Everybody say hi buffalo. Hi buffalo. B as in buffalo. B as in buffalo. Alright. The words with B sound. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. Turn on notifications so that you'll be the first to be notified about my video. Please like and share. Alright. B as in buffalo. B as in buffalo. B as in bed. I need words with B sound in the comment section. Alright. That will tell me that you are following. Okay, we're going to blend, we're going to sound, we're going to blend, we're going to read them out. Okay, these are the words with bo sound. The one with the pink colors is bo sound. Okay, children, listen attentively. Alright, this is G. Letter G sounds G. Letter G sounds G. 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 R. A. B. G. R. Gr. 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 G. R. A. Gra. Gra. G. R. A. B. Grab. B. A. G. B. A. Ba. B. A. G. Bag. Alright, how many of you have a bag? This is my school bag. This is my church bag. I like my bag. Okay. Number 3. B. A. B. B. A. B. Alright. B. A. Ball. You see this O sounds, this O sounds O, but it's written letter O and not letter A. Blend again with sound and blend. B. O. Ball. B. O. Bum. B. O. Bum. Listen to the sound and sound with me. B. O. B. B. O. B. Bump. Bump. Number 4. Please, if you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. What we do here is sounding of words. Please like and share. Okay. Number 4. K. R. A. B. K. R. A. B. K. R. Cur. Cur. K. R. A. Cra. K. R. A. Cra. K. R. A. B. Crab. Crab. How many of you have seen crab before? Okay, if you have seen one, put the picture in the comment section. Alright, I'll be glad to see that. Number 5. J. A. B. Let's go. J. A. B. J. J. A. B. J. A. Jaw. J. A. Jaw. J. A. B. Job. J. A. B. Job. My daddy has a job. I have a job. All we do here is sounding of words, sounding of letters, and blending them. Very soon we will have to read a sentence. We have come to the end of today's class. Please don't forget, turn on your notification so that you'll be the first to notify about my video. Please like and share. Alright children, see you in my next video. Please